we're going to be opening this Dino Magic box.
Dino Magic
this is kind of a different video. I came up with the idea of recording. Connor really wanted to do this, so let's get into it. Let's unbox it first.
Okay, let's get into it.
Connor likes doing YouTube videos. Open sesame.
Open. Come on.
Open already. I just ripped off the front. Just open sesame.
Okay. Let's take the egg out of the box.
Yay!
Take it out.
Now I need to do this. Get this out of this. Yeah! I did it! What does it say? Please remove both plastic wraps from egg before use. Okay, I already know that because I've actually done this exact same product before. I've done the same product before without recording.
Come on, open it.
So I know how to do this. Open up.
There you go.
So,
let's open it
so
up.
Here, what does it say on the front?
The egg.
Can't see because I ripped the front off. Okay, here we go.
Okay, it's the egg.
That's not that. Oh, here. So here we go. First one, remove coloured wrap from egg and drop into warm water to dissolve fizz. 2. Assemble. Remove your dino parts from the water and assemble. 3. Swap. Swap your dino parts around to make new species. What you can do is, if you get 2 of these, sadly I lost my other one.
Okay,
sadly, but you can, if you have more than one, you can swap and assemble them to make new species.
Okay, let's open it.
Say like
Egg.
that thing, whatever that is. You can't really see it, but we have to unwrap. We have to unwrap this plastic wrap.
Okay, let's see.
Take that sticker off.
Okay, and let's open it.
Put it back on again. So there's another plastic wrap on here, but this is what the actual egg looks like.
It's all
So
actually,
if you like painted it and it was like red and evil, and then a red evil dinosaur came out. And dun dun dun! Oh, okay. There, it's gonna crack. I wish you could feel this. This is actually not soft, but it's so fuzzy. It's unbelievable. So, gonna pour the water in.
Whoa, that's pretty. That's put the water in.
There. So it also fizzes. So drop. It's fizzing. Sorry. It's fizzing. I'm gonna get something so I can pull it out after it's all fizzed.
Okay. Look at the egg.
Whoa, isn't that cool? It's all fizzy.
So fizzy.
You need to wait for the noises to stop.
It's so white. The egg is white.
When the fizzing noise stops, that means the whole of the egg has dissolved. I need this
to put
spoon
the
so I
water
can
in the
scoop
egg.
it out. Scoop it out. It's waves and stuff and...
The
Wait,
dinosaurs come out.
wait.
The
Wait,
dinosaurs come out.
Wait.
The dinosaurs come out.
Wait.
Oh, it's hot.
Yeah, that was hot. How long is this gonna take? It's just like 1 minute. 1 minute, I'm not impatient.
Dinosaur go wah. Go
wah. Yeah. Hello, how are you doing today? Great. The two dinosaurs are gonna wrestle.
The dinosaurs in here. Oh dear. You okay?
I'm growing. You can see the transformation. It's
There's a
almost complete. You
dinosaur
need to wait for it
in
to change
here.
colours.
Ah!
It's about ready.
Hot.
Yeah, it's ready.
This is so yummy. A dinosaur.
Wait.
It's a dinosaur. Whoa. That's a dinosaur.
You gotta be kidding me! Yes! I got the ultra rare bones. This is ultra rare.
Whoa.
This is ultra rare. I got ultra rare. So you can get a close up with him. So the details is in the little sign. I'll put down this. I'll show you the little sign here. So it says I got the ultra rare. It says bones. I wish it would focus. Bones. Ultra rare. And I got the ultra rare Triceratops.
Swear.
And it's supposed to be like the purple's behind it, but in
It's right here.
comparison, here's the comparison. I'll fix him. I'll fix him from that. His leg is broken. His leg is broken. No, he's broken.
Let's see. Where? Who's in the pink one?
So, yep, this guy's ultra rare. So the details is this, it's kind of like a zebra because it's white and black striped, but very, very good. Just look at those horns. Just look at those horns. Okay, I'll stop
The
it.
weapons.
Last time I got a velociraptor, but Connor just
Uncle
disassembled
Rebel.
it and ruined it. And lost all the pieces. But still, this time I'm definitely not going to lose this one. It's ultra rare. Dad, I'm going to show my dad. Look, I got the bone triceratops. And the bone triceratops is in the ultra rare bones. Ultra rare. Ultra rare. You can have a little look at all of them. So it's Cretaceous common. Quite a lot here. Pause the video if you want to see them and see yourself and just read all of them. There's also Jurassic uncommon.
It's right here.
Dead. Pause the video. And there is the Jurassic, which is
We have it.
Jurassic rare.
Got one.
And pause the video. Pause the video. And there's Bones ultra rare. I can tell you what those are. Brontosaurus, which is actually not really a dinosaur. There's also Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus. There's also Tyrannosaurus Rex. And there's Triceratops. Also, these three dinosaurs have an unbone version, but the only one that doesn't have an unbone version is the unbone version. It's a Brontosaurus. And I can't believe I got the ultra rare. I am definitely not losing this. It is the best dino ever. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, yes. I'm so lucky. Yes, yes, yes.